Today we're diving into the world of SEO and Google Analytics, and we're going to show you which reports are the most important, and we're going to uncover some of the secrets of SEO success and how you can amp up your site's visibility. You can think of your SEO analytics and reporting as a super powerful toolkit to help you measure how well your SEO strategies are working. When it's on point, you're going to see more traffic, conversion rates are going to be going up, you're going to see users spending more time on your site, and a lightning-fast website speed. Ready to get started? Let's uncover the top growth tips for using powerful SEO reports. Your organic traffic is a shining star among the SEO reports. It's going to show you how much love search engines are showing to your site. So head to Google Analytics and take a peek at reports, and then acquisition, and then traffic acquisition. Then scroll down to find your organic search traffic. Now, if you want to take an even closer look at your organic search traffic, then we can break it down by the pages that your visitors are landing on. Now, to do that, just click on that small blue plus sign. And then in the drop-down, choose Page Screen, then Landing Page plus Query. Now type Organic into the search box so that you're only looking at your organic landing pages. Now, this report is a great way to see how effective your SEO efforts are for each landing page. But if you're using WordPress, there's a much easier way. Just install Monster Insights at the Plus level or above, and you can see your organic search traffic right inside your WordPress dashboard. Engagement time is a silent hero of SEO reports. It's like getting a map to the treasure chest of user behavior. Now, average engagement time is really a great indicator of whether your content is engaging and if it's bringing in the right kind of traffic. So to find that report in GA4, just head to Engagement and then to Overview. And there it is. You've got your average engagement time staring right at you. Now, this average engagement time per session column right here, it's the heartbeat of your page's success story. Now, to get a closer look at your organic traffic's engagement levels, you'll need to first click that blue plus sign. Then add traffic source, session medium to your report. Next, type organic in the search bar. And then hit enter, and boom, now you have uncovered insights about organic landing page average engagement time. All right, now you'll need to play detective. So you'll have to keep an eye out for pages with a lower engagement time. So you need to find out why visitors are leaving your site. So here's a few clues that you can start looking for. First, wrong search intent. Imagine expecting to find information about how to climb Mount Everest, but then you wind up looking at an in-depth article about raising chickens. So you want to make sure that you align your content with what your users are looking for. Dive into Opt-in Monster's guide on search intent for some ninja-level tips about that. The content isn't scan-friendly. People love shortcuts, so help them navigate with bullet points and catchy headings, and maybe sprinkle in a table of contents for those epic articles that you're writing. Wrong keyword. Before writing, scout out those keywords like a pro archer. It's all about hitting the mark with content that matches what users are seeking. Weak call to actions. Guide your visitors with a crystal clear next step. Make it as obvious as a flashing neon sign on a dark night. Remember that every click tells a story. By tweaking these elements, you're going to unlock the door to better visitor engagement and keep your WordPress site thriving. Google Search Console is a treasure trove of SEO analytics. The queries report is like a treasure map that's going to lead you to those golden keywords that people are clicking on to explore your site. So to find it, just jump into search results and then queries. If you want to, you can add click-through rate and position to the graph to the report by just clicking those little boxes right here at the top of the report. Now, if you're using WordPress, you've got a shortcut to this report using Monster Insights. Just go to your WordPress site and then hover your mouse over Insights and then click on Reports. Now just click on Search Console. All right, once you're there, you'll want to keep an eye out for terms that are getting tons of impressions, but just not enough clicks. And you'll also want to hunt down those with a low click-through rate. And spot keywords that are almost breaking in to the first page of search results. That's position 10 and up. All right, now you can easily spot those underperforming keywords, and you're going to be able to turn those into golden opportunities. Check out this example. This keyword is just shy of the first page, but it deserves a higher click-through rate. So, to unleash the full potential, here's what you want to do. First, you'll need to look at your competitor's post that's sitting comfortably on the first page. And you'll want to improve your page based on what they're doing, their best practices. Next, you'll want to nail the search intent. Folks that are searching for SEO for small businesses want actionable advice, so serve up a feast of tips and guides. And you'll also want to spruce up the title and meta description to lure in curious clickers. Plus, you'll need to do a bit of internal and external link weaving too. So you'll want to link your page with the power of contextual and off-page links. All right, now you'll want to make sure that your mobile users aren't feeling left out in the digital cold. You'll want to make sure that you're delivering a smooth experience across all of your devices. Mobile friendliness is your site's best friend. If your site isn't mobile friendly, it's not SEO friendly. The good news is that Google Analytics has a handy report that can answer all of those questions. It's called the Users by Platform Device Report. And you can find it by going to Users, and then to Tech, and then to Overview. Now just scroll down to Users by Platform Device category card and click View Platform Devices. All right, now you can see how many of your visitors came from mobile devices, as well as how many of them engaged with your site, completed conversions, and triggered events. Mobile users are going to interact with your website differently than, let's say, a desktop user, so don't be too surprised if your mobile numbers are lower than those from desktop. That's perfectly normal. But if your mobile numbers are super low, or if your visitors are just leaving your site much sooner than your desktop users, well, it might be a sign that your website isn't optimized for mobile. If that's the case, there's a few things that you can look for. Is your website easy to navigate on a mobile system? Are your fonts and buttons large enough to tap on easily? And does your website load quickly on mobile devices? Of course, if you're using Monster Insights, you can just head over to the Overview report for a quick breakdown of the site's visitors by device. Easy peasy. All right, now let's talk about something super important in the world of SEO, site speed. In 2021, Google cranked up the speedometer with Core Web Vitals, making site speed very important. Mobile speed was already in the race, but Core Web Vitals just kicked it into high gear. So why the obsession with site speed? Well, because a slow website equals a sluggish user experience, and Google's mission is to make every searcher find what they want fast. So having a slow website is the kryptonite of SEO. But if you're using Monster Insights, you can track your site speed in real time right on your WordPress dashboard. If you're not using Monster Insights, well, you can use Google Page Speed Insights as your go-to tool for checking both mobile and desktop speed. Well, there you have it, 5 SEO analytics and reporting tips to boost organic traffic and help you get noticed in the digital universe. If you're hungry for more SEO power moves, don't forget to check out our guide to Google Analytics SEO hacks. Thank you for watching, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.
See your Google Analytics data in WordPress with Monster Insights. Get 50% off right now and subscribe for more helpful content like this.